Another tool that has already been mentioned, but if you haven't checked yet, it's Midjourney. Midjourney, there is no free version anymore, unfortunately, but they are my favorite text-to-image art generator. The quality of the outputs is absolutely brilliant, is amazing, it's something else. So there's a lot of uses for Midjourney for your own personal or professional reasons. There's a lot of good stuff that you can get out of this. In a more kind of professional way, one thing that sometimes we spend a lot of time in is creating presentations. So Gamma has this very cool AI presentation creator. So you can prompt like, create me a presentation of AI for business, let's say. And then it will kind of, already figure out what is the topic and already start creating, in a certain theme, like the introduction slides with images and all of that. You can also generate images over here and you can edit and change. So even before, you can be more specific on the prompt, but also later, right? You can reword things. It's super cool to get things started. So again, you make things very, very, very fast in that regard. A super other popular tool that I thought was worth mentioning is Quillbot. It's a writing assistant. So, they do so one of their core propositions is like paraphrasing. So, you can summarize things, you can change the way it's written. But it's also a writing assistant for many different capacities. So it can help you brainstorm, it can summarize things, like a lot of things it can do. So worth checking it out.